There we go. Hey, everybody. Thanks for letting me show up as I am here. I am homesick and I've been taking tests all week trying to see if I've got COVID or not, and they've all been coming out negative. But I don't know if you all have been taking tests or anything like that, but what's been happening is that it seems like you have to catch it at the right time for the test to show up positive. So I had a PCR test on Monday, that was negative, and I took a couple home tests. This one here is a little bit complicated, but there's all different kinds, and so far they've all been showing negative. But um, I don't know. I haven't been this sick in a while, and so I keep testing. I'm still really symptomatic and coughing, which is why I haven't been back in school. Um, because regardless of whether it's COVID or not, I don't want you all to get what I have. So anyway, I thought I would just make a live video here and just check in about a couple things since I've been out all week. I hope that you saw my announcements about the fact that you can still turn in late work. I'm really just going live here while I'm sick. Let's see, Thursday the 27th, that's today. Really, it could be until midnight tonight. You can turn stuff in, whether that's a missing assignment or a revision that you want to do. Like if you got less than a 4 on anything, you can always do a revision. Just let me know. I went through and I think I've graded every single thing that you've turned in. Up until I think I was grading until about 5 o'clock yesterday. So just send me a quick email and say, hey, Miss Farrow, I turned in my Venn diagram or whatever it is, just so that I can be on it and do it right away and grade it right away. Excuse me. Speaking of the Venn diagram, there were a lot of you that didn't do it, and it's a really easy grade. Honestly, it's quick and it's super easy, I promise. So if you didn't do the Venn diagram, please at least do that one. It'll be an easy 4 points. Promise. Unless you write IDK and all of the Venn diagram spaces, then you're not going to get a 4. But most of you got a 4. I think I only gave out a couple 3s. So please do that if you haven't done that yet. What else? We have a long weekend, so you don't have school Friday or Monday. That'll be nice. Hopefully you can rest and recover from semester 1. We're almost halfway. Nice job. I don't know that there was anything else that I wanted to tell you. Just that, I'm going to put this in an announcement too, but, and I put it, I think, in the description on this video, but I can make myself available for tutorial time today, this afternoon. So after the last final this afternoon, there's a chunk of time that's tutorial time. And I can show up to the meet that's on my homepage. If you have any questions or need help on a particular assignment that you want to turn in. So I'll show up there to the tutorial at the beginning of it through the meet link on my homepage. If it's much after that, like if no one's showing up, I probably am not going to sit there all afternoon. But if you just send me an email and you want to meet up there and I've missed you, just email me and I'll come back to that meet, okay? Since I haven't been here all week, I just felt like I needed to make myself available for a bit today. Anyway, I miss you. Gosh, January has been a little light for me, hasn't it? I apologize. If I could be there, I would. I hope you're hanging in there. And fresh start coming up with semester 2. That's pretty exciting. I hope you all stay healthy and be well. Let me know if you need anything. Email me, and I'll see you at tutorial if you need me. Okay?